Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Project. So today I'm going to show you one of these lights that I'm looking to install. They're LED deformable lamps. Basically, it makes your garage extremely bright. And that's what I was looking for. I was looking for that warehouse type of lighting in the garage, so it's a lot easier for me to work on projects, to see more in detail the things that I'm working on. And I'm going to go ahead and unpackage them to show you what they look like, and then I'm going to show you a before and after on the brightness of these lights. I did buy them on Amazon, and I'll include the links on there and everything. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unpackage this. Also the manual of some sort. All the different positions that you can go ahead and adjust it to. The 1-year warranty card. Oh, that's interesting. It comes with one of these. So maybe if you want to go ahead and convert your garage light into one of these sockets. Okay. And then, there we go. So you're able to go ahead and adjust these based on how you want the light to reflect on your garage. It's very simple. You just go ahead and screw it in and you should be up and going. So I have 2 of these that I purchased so I can put it in my garage, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you the brightness comparison between what I currently have now and these new lights. Alright, so let's put one of these up and see how it goes. Okay, that's one. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video regarding the lights, and go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.